I'm going to have a home lesson on this.
Okay, so as we discussed, an open circuit, power cannot flow. Okay? It's like this piece of wire. If this piece of wire was closed, power can travel around it. That would be a closed circuit. If it was open, as an open circuit, power cannot flow around it because of this big air gap right here. The terminology for that power flowing around in this circuit is continuity. Okay? This has continuity because power can flow.
What's that word?
Continuity.
Yeah.
That means the ability for power to flow.
Oh.
For example, this is wire. Wire conducts electricity, therefore it has continuity. Now, if this was a big piece of rubber band, can rubber conduct electricity? Power cannot flow. That means it has no continuity.
The only reason why I know that is because I used to run fence and the insulators on it were plastic, and every time I touched it, then it was at me.
Exactly.
That's how I figured that out.
So, plastic is a good example of an insulator,
That
which we're going
and
to learn about.
one day my cousin or whatever you want to claim them as, they're like my best friends right now, and we were just doing theirs, just getting me to touch a fence. So I grabbed the pop bottle and stuck the pop bottle on the fence. I told her I touched it.
Now, I'm not going to get into my story of how I used to touch electric fences, but
My brother peed on the fence before.
yeah, it's painful. Anyway, back on track here. Okay, we talked about resistance. How much resistance do you think is in this piece of wire?
0.
Not much.
Not much or 0. Great. How much resistance is in a rubber band?
There's a good, because it's rubber.
Like 100.
Rubber.
A lot. We're talking. Matter of fact, if power absolutely cannot flow, it is
Wait,
known to
how is
have
there more?
infinite resistance.
How is there more in a rubber band?
Resistance is the opposition to flow.
Because-
So if I was power and I was trying to go through this wall, I can't push.
Well,
it
you're not the
up,
Hawk,
therefore
so-
it's resisting me,
Oh,
right?
yeah.
So it's resistance. All right. A rubber band will be like this wall. Okay.
Oh, okay, that makes sense.
This piece of wire would be like if there was a window, an open window right here. I just right through it.
I'm gonna start recording all my teachers.
It's fine. I'm happy. It's good.
I'm serious. If they yell at me, I'm like, be quiet.
Be quiet. I want to
Hey,
know
I'm an open book.
I'm going to record lunch.
I
okay.
appreciate-
Then I eat mashed potatoes.
I do appreciate you guys supporting me because this way, if you do get lost or something, you guys can come back. And
I'm gonna put you on YouTube.
I'm fine. That's great.
Okay.
You surprised me.
Um,
That's all you say about me.
this is what I'm here for. I'm here to teach you guys.
I don't know for my grade.
Okay, so going down towards the bottom of the page, you're talking about grounding a load. What's it mean to be grounded, other than like losing
I'm
some electric
like-
television?
Is it so like?
No,
is
my
it
grounding
floating?
is
So
like weeks,
It
and
floats to the
then
ground so it doesn't like mess anything up, like just float
like
up.
ground wires.
Good guess, but not good. Yes. Ground wire. What's a ground wire do?
Okay, I don't know how to explain it, but like I know what it is. Like for our fence, we had wires that like kind of draw it on the board.
You can just kind of explain it.
Like
You're on the right track.
We had like
You're
this
good.
box thing. It was like power fence on and off.
Right?
Okay, and we had this bar, like metal bar, and we had like the wire running down, and then it
It
came.
goes into the earth.
Yeah.
Okay. Great. Great. That's perfect. What a ground wire does, okay? Remember how he's talking about all those free electrons on those atoms?